Picture this. You reach for your hand sanitizer, but the bottle is empty. Don't worry. Let's dive into making your own hand sanitizer with simple ingredients. Hand hygiene is crucial, and creating your own sanitizer ensures you always have a germ-free solution at hand. First, let's gather our materials. Isopropyl alcohol, 70% or higher, aloe vera gel, and optional essential oils. Here's what you'll need. 2/3 cup of isopropyl alcohol and 1/3 cup of aloe vera gel. Use a measuring cup for accuracy. Now combine the isopropyl alcohol and aloe vera gel in a bowl. Stir thoroughly until well blended. If you'd like a pleasant fragrance, add a few drops of essential oil. Tea tree or lavender oil are great choices due to their antibacterial properties. Once mixed, it's time to bottle the sanitizer. Use a funnel to pour the mixture into small portable bottles. Don't forget to label them for easy identification. To use, apply a small amount to your hands and rub them together until dry. Store your hand sanitizer in a cool, dry place to maintain its effectiveness. Now you're ready to tackle germs on the go with your homemade hand sanitizer. It's simple, practical, and ensures you always stay clean and confident.